Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to send an eSignature request to a contact group in BoldSign. In BoldSign, a contact group is a collection of names and email addresses that senders use to send signature requests simultaneously. Any contact group member can open and sign the document, and when a person completes signing, the process is marked as complete. The remaining members are notified that the document has already been signed, reducing delays and streamlining the workflow. This feature ensures faster approvals and more efficient document processing, even if some group members are unavailable. Let's consider a scenario where a legal team at a law firm is responsible for reviewing legal documents before they are sent to clients for signature. Delays often occur when the designated attorney is unavailable, slowing down the approval process and delaying critical cases. To address this, the legal coordinator creates a contact group that includes all available attorneys in the department. This allows available attorneys to review and approve documents, ensuring that the approval process continues smoothly, and that important documents are sent to clients on time, without unnecessary delays. Let me show you how the legal coordinator would add the contact group for attorneys in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the contact menu and choose the My Contacts option, where a list of all my contacts is displayed. On this page, I move to the Contact Groups section. All the available contact groups are listed. Here I need to add a contact group. I click the Add New Contact Group button. A Create Contact Group dialog box appears. The contact group name, and email fields are marked with a star, indicating that they are required. If you want to add multiple group members' details, and you have prepared a CSV file containing the members' names and email addresses, you can directly import it using the Import from CSV option. If you haven't prepared a CSV file, you can download a sample CSV file, fill it out, and import it. The maximum number of users within a contact group is 25. I enter the contact group name. In the Add Users to the Group section, I need to add 4 users. To do this, I add the required user details field by clicking the Add button. I then fill them with the users' names and email addresses. Once done, I click the Create button. A new contact group has been successfully created. If I need to edit the group's details or add new users, I can simply edit the contact group later. Next, let me show you how to create a signature request using a contact group. I click the Create New button and select the Create New Document option, which takes me to the Prepare Document for Signing page. I upload the legal agreement form from my computer by clicking the Browse button. In the Add Recipient section, I enter the client's details. Next, I need to add the attorney's contact group as recipients. I click the Context menu next to the Add Recipient button and choose Add Recipient Group. The contact group name field opens, and I enter Attorney Group. Since this is an existing contact group, the group name is displayed in the drop-down. If you haven't created a contact group, you can create one by clicking the Create New Contact Group option. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter the group name and specify the users' names and email addresses. In this case, I choose the Attorney Contact Group from the drop-down to add it as the recipient. Once selected, the total number of recipients in the group is displayed, and I can view their details using the View List option. I can change the assigned role and language of the recipient group if needed. I can also customize the group recipient settings by clicking the Settings button, enabling authentication, and sending a private message. Since the attorney needs to review and acknowledge their approval before the client signs, I'll enable the signing order, setting the attorney's recipient group to sign first, followed by the client. I check the remaining section and click the Next button to navigate to the Configure field page. First, I choose the attorney's group from the Assign a drop-down and assign their respective fields. Then I add the fields for the client. I check the document once and click the Send button to send it out for signatures. The document has now been successfully sent. Each attorney in the group receives an email to review and sign the legal agreement. Once an attorney completes the signing process, The remaining members of the contact group will receive an email notification informing them that the document has been signed and providing the details of the group member who signed. This summarizes how to allow any group member to sign a document by a BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.